it was decided that Dr. Bill Waldron should enter the house.
I was monitoring the feed that night. All started well. What we saw was amazing. The interior of the house was miraculously preserved. It was impossible. We lost radio communication first.
You're breaking up.
We lost this. And then the video cut out. We've lost visual. Bill, can you hear me? Static.
I felt the dark energy right away. Hello? Someone there? What happened next? The stories were true. You can't let people in here. This house needs to be shut down.